If you're looking to get better results with your Facebook ads and you are unsure on the types of Facebook ads that you can simply use to get better results, then keep watching this video. What is up, everybody? Fred Lam here, and welcome to my YouTube channel where I share everything on how to build, grow, and scale your online business. Now, in today's video, I'm going to reveal the top 4 different types of Facebook ads that you can use for your business. Regardless if you are running a Shopify business, affiliate marketing, email marketing, local businesses, these 4 types can work phenomenally well for you to get higher click-through rates and get better conversions and better buck for your Facebook ads that you are spending on. But before we actually dive right in, please help me smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. Now, in the last decade of running Facebook ads, I literally have tested almost all types of Facebook ads. And it came to my realization that there are 4 types that I always use and can get better results than any type of Facebook ads. And I'm gonna actually show them to you in this video. So without waiting further ado, let's dive right in. So type number 1, I call it simply the call out ad. So what is a call out ad? With a call out ad, you're basically starting your ad with a question. So when the user on Facebook or your targeted audience actually see your ad and in their head, they say yes, then guess what? You've already gotten them your attention. Because after all, when people are scrolling through newsfeed, they actually have things going through their mind. And if you actually create an ad that actually speaks to them and make them say yes, guess what? You won their attention and it's time to actually sell to them right away. So for example, if you are essentially selling a product that solves a particular problem, all you have to do is, do you have this problem? And if the person actually said yes in their mind, they will actually read your copy and engage with your ad. So type number 1, try using what we call the call out ad. Type number 2 is called UGC. What it stands for user generated content. These are simply testimonial videos that you ask your customers to record from you. At the end of the day, if someone else helped you sell rather than you sell, guess what? People are more likely to buy because other people are actually selling on your behalf. That's why user-generated content works phenomenally well. And if you actually have a mechanism in place to ask your customers to record a review video for you, guess what? You can turn it into a user-generated content and let your customers sell for you in the ad. Now, type number 3, I call it the demo ad. If you have a software or if you essentially have a product that solves a problem, or if you have a nice piece of jewelry, you want to actually demonstrate the ad, or I should say demonstrate the product in your video. Because when people can actually see the video of how your product is being used, they can actually be in the position as a user. You're instantly painting the picture in their mind about them using that particular product that you are selling. And if they actually can see how it can change their life or save them time or save them money, they're most likely gonna buy. And at the end of the day, you're basically having the product do all the selling for you. Now, the last type is called a story ad. Story ads work really well if you can actually have a longer copy to actually talk about the story, the challenge, or how this product is being developed. Because remember, when it comes to social media, it's essentially a social platform. People want to actually read what other people are up to or their stories. So story ads can work phenomenally well. So when it comes to running an online business or even a local business, you can actually use either of these types or use a combination of these Facebook ad type for your business, and you are definitely going to get better results. Now, at the end of the day, if you want to actually learn more about Facebook ads, definitely check right in the video description right down below. There's a secret link that you can actually master Facebook ads for the cost of a fancy Starbucks drink. Now, at the end of the day, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. So remember, the next time you are going to be creating a new Facebook ad, rewatch this video, choose either one of these type, and I'm confident to say you're gonna actually get better results with your Facebook ads. Till next time.